Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your app store errors. If you are unable to download apps, or if it's showing here cannot connect to app store, so how can you fix the app store errors? Just simply open settings, and then what you need to do is just simply tap on Wi-Fi if you are using Wi-Fi, and then from here you have to disconnect your Wi-Fi and then reconnect it, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply tap on mobile data. If you are using mobile data, then you have to turn the toggle off for this for 2 or 3 seconds, and then turn it on again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then scroll it down, and then tap on general, and from here what you need to do is just simply tap on date and time, and from here check if your date and time is correct or not. If your date and time is correct, then you have to turn the toggle off for this, and after 2 or 3 seconds then turn it on again, and then check whether your app store is working or not. And if your app store is still not working, then you have to tap on settings, tap on general, you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset. From here you have to reset network setting, and you have to give your phone passcode, and after that you have to tap on reset network setting to confirm the process. This will delete all network setting, return them to factory default. So after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then finally what you have to do is just simply reset all settings. For that, open setting, then you have to tap on general, and then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have to tap on reset, and from here you have to tap on reset all setting. You have to give your phone passcode, and from here you have to tap on reset all setting to confirm the process. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So you have to tap on this. So after doing this, all content your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.